So we have Google stock split coming up this Friday, and I'm super pumped about it because I currently don't own 100 shares of Google. I mean, that'd be nice. I wish I had $250,000 roughly in Google, but after the split, I will own 100 shares of Google. And let me explain why this is huge, because you can take advantage of the options market. I'm not talking about buying call options, buying put options. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about selling call options, right? If you have 100 shares of a stock, and this is not really for selling puts. I mean, you have to have, in terms of selling puts, you have to have the cash as collateral. That's called a cash secured put, selling cash secured puts. We're not going to talk about that. But if you do own 100 shares of a stock, you can sell covered calls on it, right? And I've made a bunch. I actually have a playlist here on TikTok on how to actually sell covered calls. It's a 3-step video. It's 3 individual videos that all tie in a couple minutes. Go watch that. But you can collect premium from people that buy the calls from you because you have the 100 shares as collateral. So if I have 100 shares, which I will in a couple of days here, I'll be able to sell calls on Google. So let's say, for example, the stock's trading at 110, 15, 20 bucks post split, whatever it ends up being. Let's say I want to sell the $130 calls and collect a couple bucks premium, whatever it ends up being. I can make some nice extra income on top of, the current income streams I have by selling calls against Google, right? So that is why I'm pumped about it. One reason why I'm pumped about it, because I'm going to be able to collect more premium and more premium income, which is fantastic. So let me know your thoughts. Do you own Google? Let me know in the comments. Follow along for more. I'll see you guys later.